Alright, what is good, YouTube, man? I'm bringing you back with a late night POV. Tonight, man, we're about to get some action done tonight. Here on the left, we have my 2019 Mustang GT base model. Pushing out 460 horsepower, 420 foot-pound-feet of torque. Couple mods that's been done to it. Lowered our E-Box Pro Kit. Full exhaust system. Catback. Drop-in K&N filter. That's pretty much it, man. Nothing too crazy. And on the right, we have a 2024 Mustang GT base model with the active exhaust optional, pretty much. So 486, I believe, and then pushing out 486 horsepower, 420 foot-pound-feet of torque. So pushing about the same foot-pound-feet of torque, just about 15 to 20 difference in horsepower. And by the way, both of these are 10 speed, so it should be an interesting run. Some of you guys folks are asking me to do a dig 40, so we're gonna try our best to try to see if we can get a dig, but we're probably gonna get mostly 50 and 60, just depend on traffic at Mexico. So y'all go ahead and stay tuned. By the way, for the S650, this thing is pretty much bone stock. No catback, no exhaust, no drop-in K&N filter, or none of that. Completely bone stock up against slight modded S550. Will not be my slight exhaust, drop-in K&N filter, lowering our E-Box Pro Kit. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the run at Mexico. See you in a bit. Straight, right? That was a much better run. That was much better. Ready? Ready?